Okay, the patient treatment booking. So now I navigate to browse in a header. Now I will have to select any service, like one service to book, right? So let's say search for cardiology. Now I will select, let's say, this provider, Viho, book service. Right, I will have the date range here, the date. This one is availability from the provider. So let's say 6th of December. I select a time slot and I'll select a service. Let's say this one, and I'll have option to select doctor as well. If I want to, or if I don't want to, then it's whatever. It's optional. Let's say notes for provider doctor. Say now I confirm. Now I have to pay the service fee. The consultation fee for that. So let's say I pay. Now after processing, it will load a little bit. After the process, it will be navigated to the case immediately. So this is a case that I just booked. This is the note. This is the doctor that I assigned, and this one is the service that I just booked. Basically, right? And we can see it at the top of the case here. Okay, so